What's up, guys? Blue Collar Tour 2024, Bo Barkley, Western Welding Academy. We're out here in Charlotte, Tennessee, getting ready to go weld with the boys and girls at Creekwood High School. We'll see you out there.
When we start talking about the trades, it's not about welding, it's not about construction, it's about teaching kids responsibility, it's about teaching kids how to show up on time, be present on the job site, processing and looking for those safety hazards. And those are big parts to our industry, because with a blue collar, your safety is your number one piece. I think about a plumber, I think about an electrician. That stuff is not cut and dry. You're gonna have to problem solve as you go through that job. Within welding, you're gonna have to see the issue, you're gonna have to process the issue, and then fix the issue. And I think being able to problem solve and think outside the box really makes a big change in the blue collar world, because if you can help a kid to see some of that problem solving, that changes their potential when they leave high school. They can walk onto a job site and they become very valuable, because now they're not just a body, they're actually somebody that can use their brain to think for themselves and use it for productive use.
We want to thank you guys for letting us come out here. We appreciate it. We could not do what we do if it wasn't for the instructors. So thank you guys very much. Now, you students out here, look at these people right here. These guys show up every day through thick and thin, through your good attitudes and your bad attitudes. They show up every day to teach you guys, okay? Ultimately, they want what's best for you. Listen to what they say. Take their advice, okay? They're out here building the next generation. They could be anywhere in the world right now, but they wake up every morning and they show up to teach you guys, all right? So let's give them another round of applause! Woo! We really appreciate you guys. Thank you. We ultimately could not do it if it wasn't for you. This country faces a national security threat. There is a lack of blue-collar workers in this country. We need you guys to get inspired, find a trade, work with your hands. So many times I was taught throughout school, the only way to make it for me to be successful in life is to join a college. If you don't go to college, you won't be successful. We need the carpenters to build the houses so we have new homes. There's a shortage in houses. Look at the market. We need plumbers to run the water so we have fresh water in our homes and to get rid of our waste. We need the electricians to run the electricity so we can turn on our lights. We need the welders to build the bridges and the buildings and glue this great nation together. So don't ever doubt yourself or feel afraid or be ashamed to join a trade. It's a great thing to do. This country needs it, and the demand is only gonna get higher and the wages are only gonna get higher, okay? So together, let's build America! Woo! Yeah! This great country needs you, and only together can we do it, okay? Blue Collar Tour 2024!
Dude, Creekwood High School, you guys came out with the heat today. We had 6 different schools, a few hundred kids, energy was up, the weather was great. Mr. Harden, thank you so much for the hospitality. It was an amazing event. The food was great. Now, we're gonna roll this bandwagon up and head out to Troy, Missouri. We'll see you guys out there. Let's build America!